What would happen if, for just 7 days, you actually did everything you said you were going to do? No skipping, no excuses, no, I'll do it later. Just 7 days of total commitment, complete follow-through, and unshakable focus. Imagine waking up early, energized and ready to dominate your day. Imagine finally shutting off distractions, eating clean, sticking to your priorities, and checking off every goal you've written down. For 1 week, imagine becoming the person you always talk about becoming, the disciplined version of you. The version that doesn't flinch, doesn't delay, and doesn't fold under pressure. The version that follows through. This isn't just a cute idea. This is a challenge, a test, a reset, a transformation. Welcome to the 7-Day No Excuses Challenge, a raw, real, and powerful way to rebuild your discipline from scratch and change the entire trajectory of your life. In a world addicted to shortcuts and comfort, this is your invitation to rise above it all and rewire your brain for consistency, power, and momentum. It's only 7 days, but it might be the most important 7 days of your life. The rules are brutally simple. You choose your top 3 priorities each day, things that truly move your life forward, and you complete them no matter what. You wake up early, preferably before 6 a.m., so you start your day ahead of the world. You avoid distractions like social media, endless scrolling, junk food, and any mindless behavior that pulls you away from growth. You eat clean to fuel your brain and body, not to indulge your cravings. You stay intentional, you stay sharp, you execute. And here's the twist. If you miss even one thing, you restart the challenge. That's right. This isn't a feel-good, try-your-best game. It's war against your own excuses. And now, why would anyone put themselves through this? Because deep down you're tired of feeling stuck. You're tired of being all talk and no action. You're tired of setting goals that die in your notebook. You're tired of looking in the mirror and seeing someone who could be great, but never actually proves it. You crave results, progress, self-respect, and discipline is the only bridge that gets you there. The truth is, motivation fades, energy dips, feelings lie. But discipline? Discipline is the one thing that never betrays you. It's the foundation of every successful person you admire, and it's time you built that foundation for yourself, brick by brick, day by day. Before we move on, if you like these videos and find them helpful, can you do me a favor and like this video and subscribe to my channel? This small action helps me a lot, but most importantly, helps other people improve their lives. I am truly grateful to every single one of you. Thank you. Let's move on. This 7-day challenge is not about being perfect. It's about being relentless. It's about doing what needs to be done, even when it's inconvenient. Especially when it's inconvenient. You'll feel resistance. You'll hear the whispers of your lazy habits begging you to take a break. You'll be tempted to snooze the alarm, skip a task, or convince yourself that you'll catch up tomorrow. But that's the exact moment your transformation begins, when you feel the urge to quit and choose to continue anyway. That's where the discipline muscle grows. That's where the fire is lit. To help you stay on track, create a simple daily accountability tracker. Write down your wake-up time, your 3 non-negotiable goals, your meals, and whether you stayed off distractions. Check off each box before bed. If all boxes are checked, you move forward. If not, you start over. It's a contract with yourself. And it's not meant to be easy. It's meant to be earned. Every checked box is proof that you're becoming someone new, someone stronger, someone who finishes what they start. During my own journey with this challenge, I realized something profound. We don't lack time. We lack focus. We don't lack talent. We lack consistency. When I stopped negotiating with my comfort zone, everything changed. I started waking up with purpose. My days felt tighter, more directed. I crushed tasks that I'd been avoiding for months. My self-respect skyrocketed. And you know what surprised me the most? It wasn't the results. It was the feeling. The feeling of finally trusting myself, of becoming dependable in my own eyes. That's a rare kind of confidence most people never experience. And it's built, not gifted. This challenge isn't about showing off. It's about showing up for yourself. It's about reprogramming your identity. Because when you force yourself to live with discipline for 7 straight days, something inside of you changes. You stop letting your emotions decide your actions. You stop making decisions based on how you feel in the moment and start making decisions based on who you want to become. You start viewing discomfort as a doorway, not a wall. You build proof that you are capable of greatness. And once you have that proof, it's hard to ever go back. You'll notice that after just a few days, momentum kicks in. You'll walk a little taller, think a little clearer, speak with more power, and people around you will feel it. Your energy will shift. You won't need to announce the change. They'll see it in how you move, how you talk, how you handle your day. This is not hype. This is what happens when your daily choices start aligning with your highest standards. There's a silent power in doing what others won't. Most people will scroll past this challenge and forget it in 10 seconds. But you're still here. That means something. That means the disciplined version of you is already awake, ready, hungry. Don't let that version of you stay buried. Bring it to life. It starts with one decision, one morning, one day, then repeat. And if you fall off, good. That means you've got something to conquer. Restart the challenge and come back harder. Because every failure is fuel, and every restart is a chance to rise stronger. You'll want to quit. You'll want to make excuses. You'll try to convince yourself that nobody will know if you skip a task. But that's the trap. That's the voice that's been holding you back your entire life. This challenge is about silencing that voice once and for all. It's about proving that you can be the one who follows through, the one who finishes, the one who refuses to negotiate with weakness. Let's be honest, discipline isn't sexy. It doesn't give you instant results. It doesn't get applause. But it's the secret weapon behind every big win you've ever seen. It's the difference between dreamers and doers, between someday and right now. You can either wait for discipline to magically appear one day, or you can build it, starting today. In just 7 days, you can create a version of yourself you didn't think was possible. You can show yourself and the world that you're done making excuses. You're done starting and stopping. You're done living in your comfort zone. The only question is, are you ready? Because if you are, here's your mission. For 7 days straight, wake up early. Set your 3 non-negotiable goals every morning and complete them before bed. Eliminate distractions, eat clean, track everything. If you miss a task, you start again. No whining, no victimhood, just radical responsibility. And on the other side of those 7 days, a new version of you, a stronger, sharper, more unstoppable version, one who no longer needs motivation to move, one who moves because that's just who they are now. This isn't just a challenge, it's a turning point. You already know what it's like to live with inconsistency. You've already tasted regret. Why not try something different? Why not give yourself the chance to feel proud again? Proud of your actions, proud of your mindset, proud of your progress. 7 days of discipline can rewire your self-image, and once that changes, everything changes. So stop waiting. Start now. The 7-day No Excuses Challenge begins today. Show yourself what you're made of. Show the world what happens when discipline meets desire. Let this be the week that changes everything. One decision, one day, 7 times. No excuses. Let's go. If you made it until here, leave a mind emoji in the comments. I want to see how many of you reach the end and finish what they start. Thank you so much for watching. Take care, and keep improving day by day. Together, we are unstoppable.